Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss MCQ questions based on Python revision tour, class 12th. In first question, write the output of the following code where x is equal to 14 minus 71j. Print x dot imaginary part then x dot real part. Here the imaginary part is minus 71 and the real part is 14. The answer will be option B. In question number 2, write the output of the following code. Here A is equal to 19 and B is equal to 15. We are converting A and B to strings. Now X and Y contains string 19 and string 15. X plus Y will give 19, 15. The answer is option C. Plus is concatenation operator which will concatenate the two strings. In question number 3, what will be the output of the following? 7 plus 2 float division 1 to the power of 2 which will give 7 plus 2 which is equal to 9. 5 plus 2 to the power of 2 float division 3 which will give 5 plus 1 6. Here 9 greater than 6 will give true value. Answer will be true. Option A. In question number 4, write the output of the following code. Here S is equal to none. S will print nothing. Answer will be A. Nothing will be printed. Now we'll see in Python. We are assigning none value to S. S will print nothing. In question number 5, the highest precedence operator is exponential. Answer will be option B. In question number 6, write the output of the following. Print range 0, 8, 2. As we know, print function will print whatever there inside the bracket. It will simply print range 0, 8, 2. We can check the answer in Python also. Answer will be option B, range 0, 8, 2. In question number 7, write the output of the following code. First we are assigning value 2 to x, then we are reassigning the value of x to 5. Now the value of x will be 5. X is equal to x plus x will be 5 plus 5. Answer will be 10. You can see the result in Python also. It is 10. We are reassigning the value of x to 5. For that only the answer will be 5 plus 5. Reassigning new value to a variable will override the old value which is stored in the variable. Now x is equal to 5 plus 5 which is 10. Answer will be option C. In question number 8, write the output of the following code. Here x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Print x plus y will give 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Answer will be option B. Now we'll execute the same code in Python. Let us execute the same code in Python. Answer will be 5. As we are printing x plus y only. In question number 9, write the output of the following. Print hello world. Then again we are printing h. It will be printing hello world and h in two different lines. The output will be hello world, then h. Answer will be option C. Now let us execute the same code in Python. The output will be in two lines. The first line will contain hello world, and in second line you will have h. Here the answer will be option C. In question number 10, write the output of the following. Here a is equal to 8, which is a global variable, and inside the function we are only printing a. ABC within bracket 7 is calling the function with value 7. Answer will be option D. Now print a will print 7 only. Let us execute it in Python. After copy, we have to change the indentation so that it will execute smoothly. As we are calling the function with the value 7, the output will be 7. In question number 11, write the output of the following. Here we are defining a function, but we are not calling it. The function will not be executed if we will not call it. Answer will be option D, no output. Let us execute the same code in Python and we will get no output. First we have to save the file. Then no result will come because we are not calling the function. The answer will be option D, no output. In question number 12, to get Ina, Mina, Dika one below another, we have to write print Ina slash n, Mina slash n, Dika. Here answer will be option C. Let us execute this in Python. Ideally, you will get the required result. In question number 13, which of the following is an invalid variable? As we know, variable cannot start with a number. The answer will be option B, second day. In question number 14, which of the following is not a keyword? Here the answer will be A, eval. In question number 15, which of the following cannot be a variable? Here in is a membership operator. It cannot be declared as a variable. Answer will be option B. In question number 16, which of these is not a core data type? Answer will be option D, class. List, dictionary, tuples are core data types. In question number 17, x to the power of y can be written as x double star y. Answer will be option B. In question number 18, 14 plus 14 modulus operator 15 will give 28, because 14 modulus operator 15 will give 14 only. 14 plus 14 will be 28. We can see the result in Python. Ideally, it will be 28. As we are getting 14 modulus operator 15 will be 14. In question number 19, the value of A is 16 and B is 15. 16 modulus operator 15, floor division A will give 0. Answer will be option B. Now we'll see the result in Python. Answer will be 0. In question number 20, what is the value of x? Here x is equal to integer within bracket 13.25 plus 4 divided by 2. Here 4 divided by 2 will give 2. 13.25 plus 2 will give 15.25, and the integer part of 15.25 will be 15. Answer will be option C. Now we'll execute the same in Python. We will get 15. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.